ultimate guide to building a smart dorm room for college students. Smart lights. Smart lights allow you to adjust colors, brightness, and schedules via your smartphone or voice commands for optimal ambiance. Smart plugs. Smart plugs let you control devices remotely, automate appliances on a schedule, and manage energy usage via voice or app. Smart speakers and displays. Smart speakers and displays offer hands-free voice control for music, device management, alarms, homework help, and streaming content seamlessly. Portable Bluetooth speakers. Portable Bluetooth speakers deliver high-quality audio, long battery life, and durable designs ideal for both study sessions and social gatherings. Connected soundbar. A connected soundbar boosts TV audio, adding streaming, voice control, and wireless connectivity for movies, music, and gaming experiences. Portable chargers. Portable chargers ensure smartphones, tablets, and other gadgets stay powered throughout the day with fast charging and multiple ports. Smart air purifier. Smart air purifiers use high-efficiency particulate air filters, real-time air quality monitoring, and automatic adjustments to maintain clean dorm room air. Smart coffee maker. Smart coffee makers brew on schedule, customize strength and cup size, and connect via Wi-Fi or voice commands for convenience. Smart TV with built-in streaming capabilities. Built-in streaming TVs provide high-definition picture, access to popular apps, and voice control without extra devices or cables. Robotic vacuum with mopping and self-emptying station. Robotic vacuums with mopping and self-emptying capabilities, map rooms, schedule cleanings, and reduce manual maintenance effectively. Extra charging cables. Durable, varied-length charging cables ensure you can power devices bedside or on the go without worrying about connectivity issues. Docking station. A multi-port docking station expands laptop connectivity with HDMI, USB-A, USB-C, and Ethernet ports for external monitors and peripherals. Wireless keyboard and mouse. Wireless keyboard and mouse combos offer ergonomic designs, long battery life, and reliable connectivity for comfortable typing and navigation. BAC Mobile Breathalyzer. A mobile breathalyzer connects to your smartphone for accurate BAC readings, helping you monitor alcohol intake and make safer decisions. Headphones. Over-ear headphones offer noise cancellation for focused study, while wireless earbuds provide a secure fit for workouts or commuting. Smart alarm clock. Smart alarm clocks simulate sunrise lighting, allow multiple alarms, and integrate with smart home systems for voice-controlled wake-ups. Gaming console. Gaming consoles like Xbox Series X or PlayStation 5 deliver high-performance graphics, streaming capabilities, and a vast library of games.
Go to GearBrain for more information.